test. Okay, so this is, we're learning Kotlin, and I am using IntelliJ Community Edition. So let's create variables. So to okay, so we have data types here. So first is string and integer and double and float and boolean. We need this because even though Kotlin can work without types, we can implicitly mention them. To declare a variable, okay, we use while this. So count is equal to something like 1. But let's create a function for now. Print ln is a standard way to print to the standard output. So let's okay, so run this. What we get, we have an error. Okay, so 1. Let me change that. Hello world. Okay, so that works. So I mentioned we can use types. So how do we use that type? Okay, here. So we have while and name, and I need to use a colon. I'm gonna use string and okay. Run. Okay, that's how we use it. We can use string, int, double or whatever the fuck. Okay. Okay, so now var. Let's talk about var. So name, okay, so print that name. Okay, run it. Cool. Okay, what's that? Okay, so while is for you know, variables that doesn't change, and var is for variables that do change. This these lines work. So we declared car total and assigned 0, and we then changed the value, but we did the same thing here, but we get an error saying, let's see, expecting a top level declaration. I don't know how to fix that. So we see the implicit type here. We are using colon and data type and strings, right? What is this? Okay. While. So constant boolean. Okay, colon and data type. Okay, coding convention. Right. That's pretty much it in this segment. Functions. Okay, so the simple way to define a function is by here, like example function, and println hello world. Looks like we need main. Okay, so we declare first use the keyword fun and then the name followed by parentheses and opening closing brackets. Anyway, I noticed I cannot run this function, so looks like I need to paste it inside of the main function. Although it shouldn't return anything, just like expected. Same thing. I mean, this is just initializing, declaring functions, and then we are invoking the function just like any other language. And then types for functions. So types are like this. We use a keyword, a name, parentheses, and what is this, colon, and we use the return type. We saw string, integer, and shit like that. So the unit type, that means it doesn't return anything. Okay, so they are using it. Return a string. I mean, actually this is not returning anything. This is not returning a string. Okay, so they're using the string as the return type, and they're returning a string, and they're using a $, name greeting, some sort of like interpolation there is, and /n is just a new line. Okay, they're returning a string because we know that, because they're enclosing that with quotes. Just like any other language, the parameters goes within the what is this, parentheses. Okay, and they're also mentioning the type. It's expecting name argument, and it's supposed to be a string. Okay, so if you want to just pass multiple parameters, just use a comma separated list. So just use the name, the type, use the comma, and then the variable name and its type. This is the return type of the function. Anyway, this is fucking weird. they're calling this anything, or what's like, they're calling this anything before the return type as function signature. Weird. Anyway, this is weird. Instead of passing just the string and integer, they're using the name and age. So I believe this is the what's like when we initialize the function, this is probably the names they used, I believe. So let's see, name and age. Okay, just as I expected. So basically the when you invoke a function, the order of the parameters matter. So if the like first parameter expects an integer and you pass a string, you'll get an error. So using this way, the order of the parameter does not matter. Okay, just like JavaScript, if you want to mention the default value for argument, you can just use equals sign and the value. So basically you mention the argument parameter name followed by its type and use equal and the value you want as the default. Okay, so I was here using the function times and lambda expression. The last time I was reading this, I didn't read this. So I'm gonna set up Android Studio and this shit. I'm gonna read this and I'll be back. You know, before that, let's go and set up the Android Studio together anyway. I'm gonna download the Android Studio. Okay, dismiss. Okay, okay, it will download. Android Studio, right? Introduction, download and install the Android Studio. Create okay, create your first Android app. Okay, let's go. Create a project. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to download. Okay, so I installed the Android Studio. Okay, so I don't know, I started with the empty template and I don't know what like tab it switched to. So basically we're supposed to be on the Android and then here main, so we're actually here. So they say that these Android apps basically run when this function runs on create set content, draws content on the screen. So basically it's composable. I don't know what these are. These are like some sort of like what's the best, these draw things on the screen. So we composable starts with this kind of like tag. They have capital and things, and it add like a text and something. So when I clicked this and pressed Alt plus Enter, I and this surround with widget and then select container. I got the box, I changed it to surface, and then I added this parameter, and then color and color green. I imported this color, and then modifier, and we use the DP. To use the DP, we use this unit DP, and we change the text and this modifier. That's pretty much it. Okay, so to create a new device, I don't know where I went. Damn, how do I get back? I'll be back. Okay, so to create a new device, I need to click on the device manager. Oh, what is this? Running devices. Okay, here plus this is add a new device, create a virtual device, and select it, and okay, so where's you can create a new device like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we're gonna connect our Android device with Wi-Fi. So we need to enable Wi-Fi debugging on our phone and select click add a debugging option. That will open up more settings, and we need to click scan QR code on our Android device. On the computer side of things, we need to go to the okay, so this button, probably this will be running if you're not already connected. This will be running, showing this medium phone API, but we want to click on pair device using Wi-Fi, and this will open up a QR code, and we need to scan that with our phone and press reload or whatever. It will be running. It will start running. Damn, I don't know what. Okay, why is this? Okay, I just freaked out because this is showing hello, my name is Android, but here it says hello, my name is Vijay. So when I check my phones, it is actually saying my name is Vijay. So I'm gonna change it. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. When we run the thing, it closes and opens the app. Okay, I'm gonna create a new project. I don't know how to close this one, so new project. Okay, so empty activity. Next, my birthday card or whatever. That's what we're building. Okay, finish. We're gonna close this one and okay, run app. That's what they did. Okay, so Gradle builder running. Okay. This is the default hello Android. Okay, so I have connected my device, so all I need to click is this Vivo, and it will start running on my phone. I don't want to do that now. Okay, Bro, we found the um, split screen. This is here. Oh, how do I remove this? Okay.